Is your Windows API Code Pack Shell Bridge apps not working because of the Microsoft Windows API Code Pack Shell DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. To begin our Microsoft Windows API Code Pack Shell troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Microsoft Windows API Code Pack Shell, a popular library providing .NET apps with high-level access to Windows shell features, taskbar thumbnails, Explorer controls. If missing, specialized utility tools or modern launchers will crash citing and assembly load failure during the shell integration phase. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Microsoft Windows API Code Pack Shell is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Microsoft Windows API Code Pack Shell component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Be aware that manual interventions for Microsoft Windows API Code Pack Shell DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance from Microsoft Windows API Code Pack Shell. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Microsoft Windows API Code Pack Shell functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.